Welcome to REVE AI, the place where imagination stops being a dream and becomes a reality. Here, ideas don't wait, they evolve, they transform, they build themselves into worlds. What once took teams and months now takes you and minutes. This is the new era of creation, and you're about to master it. Learn step-by-step AI tutorials designed for complete beginners, real prompts and workflows that actually work, powerful automation systems for small business owners who refuse to waste time, content creation tools that turn hours of work into effortless flow, and time-saving AI hacks built specifically for busy entrepreneurs who want results, not confusion. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Clear, practical, proven. And this isn't just about tutorials, it's about what happens after you learn. Creators launching channels they never thought possible. Entrepreneurs automating tasks that used to drain their days. Beginners building with AI who 6 months ago didn't know where to start. This is more than a channel. It's a community, a movement. People just like you finally unlocking what's possible. Whether you're a complete beginner taking your first step or a visionary ready to scale what you've already built, every idea you bring here is a story waiting to ignite. The future isn't waiting for permission, and neither should you. REVE AI, making technology simple so you can shine. Subscribe. Your next breakthrough starts right here.